Hello guys, I am Anant Kumar and welcome you all. Today I am going to be unboxing my new phone Vivo Y16. So I have been really excited about this phone ever since it was announced because of its marvelous design of the phone attracts everyone. Moreover, the mobile phone is powered by a decently polymer 5000 mAh battery, side fingerprint, AI dual camera, apart from that some features like RAM 4GB, ROM 64GB. So if you have a 5000 mAh battery, so it means using it for long hours and you need not worry about frequent charging. Now I can't wait to show it to you. So let's get started. So I am starting by opening the box. So let's open the box. So friends, when I open, the first thing we get after opening the box is this device, a charger, some documents, and so this device, a charger, a USB data cable and some documents. So I really feel it's very slick and looks great with a different camera cutout. If you can see, this camera is a different look and cutout, and phone is very sleek and great look. So I am turning it now. The phone is starting up. So let's wait and watch some other features. So friends, when I turn, so let's take a look at some specifications. So basically phone has a 6.5-inch HD display and it has 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel back camera and 5 megapixel front camera, and it's a powerful 5000 mAh lithium battery. And let's try out some other features. So here we talk about OS. So if you go in settings and go through the About Us phone, so you will find out about phone. So its processor is 2.3 octa-core processor and Android 12 version, and its processor type is MediaTek Helio C35, and the primary clock speed is 2.3 GHz and secondary clock speed is 1.8 GHz. So let's talk about some camera features. So I have taken some pictures, so if you check, so basically the picture quality is really good in this price, and I have taken some pictures, so it is looking very great, and let's play some video to check the quality of the video. So if you talk about the video quality, so it's also look great. So you can see the quality of video is not bad as per the price. So if you talk about its connectivity features, so it has network type 4 GB, 3 GB, 2 GB, not 5 GB supported network and 4G LTE, and then internet connectivity is already supported for 4G only, not 5G. And if you talk about the Bluetooth version, that is version 5.0, and so USB connectivity also available, map support, Google Map and GPS support is yes also available. So overall, if you talk about between 12,000 to 13,000, a better phone than this is not available in the market with such good quality. So as per my opinion and thoughts, I tried out the camera and the camera is really good, so looks great. I also tried out battery life and I found out that I used a full day out of the phone on a single charge. So I am really impressed about the phone, and it is the best phone yet, and I don't think a better phone can be found in the range of 12,000 to 13,000. So this is my unboxing video for a new Vivo Y16, and I hope you enjoy it. If you have any question, please leave them in the comment below. Thank you for watching it.